Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use AI for Shopify marketing. So if you want to use AI to grow your Shopify store in this complete walkthrough, I will show you how to use artificial intelligence to simplify your marketing, save time, create better content, and increase your chances of making more sales. The best part is that you don't need to be a marketing expert or hire an expensive agency. So, number one, you need to understand what AI can do for Shopify marketing. Before using any tools, it's important to understand how AI can help your business. So, basically, AI can assist with writing product descriptions, creating social media content, generating ad copy, building email campaigns, improving SEO, analyzing customer behavior, recommending products, answering customer questions through chatbots, personalizing marketing messages. So think of AI as a marketing assistant that helps you work faster and make smarter decisions. When it comes to writing products descriptions, basically you can use ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and other AI tools for that. Also, Cloud AI if you want. For creating social media content, you can use Canva and also CapCut for that. So there are a lot of things that you can do or use with the help of AI. Number two, identify the area of your marketing that need help. So you have to take a look at your current marketing efforts and determine where you're spending the most time. You can ask yourself, do you struggle to write product descriptions? Then I strongly suggest ChatGPT and Gemini or Google Gemini for that. If you're struggling with description, all you have to do is to basically add or type your product and then you can create a prompt. Then ChatGPT or Google Gemini AI will produce or will generate the exact description for your product. Also, if you want to think of any ideas for your social media content, you can also ask ChatGPT and Gemini for that, or Google Gemini for that. So, for email marketing, for ads not converting well, customers abandoning their carts. So, identifying these challenges helps you choose the right AI tools instead of trying to automate everything at once. Now, you can use AI to create better product descriptions. Like what I've mentioned earlier, one of the easiest ways to use AI is improving your product listing. So, all you have to do is to provide the AI with the details about your product. For example, bag features. If you want to know the benefits of this product, you can type target audience. So, here I'm going to show you an example for that. Brand voice. The AI can transform basic information into compelling descriptions designed to attract buyers. Always review and edit the output to ensure and accurately represents your products and matches your brand. When it comes to creating social media content, so creating content consistently can be difficult for many store owners. AI can help you generate Instagram captions, Facebook posts, TikTok video ideas, Pinterest descriptions, promotional announcements, content calendars. All you have to do is to go to AI tools such as ChatGPT, Google Gemini AI, Claude AI, and there are tons when it comes to generating pictures. You can go to Leonardo AI. You can also ask Google Gemini for that, Midjourney, and so on. So instead of staring at a blank screen, you will have multiple ideas ready within seconds. Add your personal touch before publishing to keep your content authentic. So now for creating high converting email campaigns, email marketing remains as one of the most effective ways to increase sales for your Shopify store. So basically, you can use AI to help draft like welcome emails, promotional campaigns, product launch announcements, cart abandonment reminders, re-engagement emails, thank you images. All you have to do is to type it, the correct prompt. I can also generate subject like variations to improve your open rates. Review the messages carefully and customize them to reflect your brand personality. You can also improve your Shopify SEO. So basically, you can search engine optimization or search engine optimization helps customers discover your product through search engines. AI can assist by generating SEO friendly product titles, meta descriptions, blog topic ideas, keyword suggestions, frequently asked questions, category descriptions. So, this can help improve your store's visibility and attract more organic traffic over time. So, remember the SEO is a long term strategy, so consistency is the key. Now you can use AI to write better ads, Facebook ad copy, Google ad headlines, call to action variations. Also, you can use for personalized customer experience, analyze your marketing performance. So you can review your store's performance regularly and pay attention to metrics such as conversion rates, email open rates, click through rates, and so on. So you can combine AI with human creativity. You can share your brand story, understand your customer, make strategic decision, and review all your content. And basically that's it. So all you have to do is to just know what product to sell. And then with the description, with the idea, you can just go to ChatGPT, Google Gemini AI. You can go to Claude AI. And for content, you can use Canva, CapCut, Leonardo AI, Midjourney, and so on. And that's how to use AI for Shopify marketing. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.